Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I actually have three charts for you to look at today. But they're all in the same sector. I want you to keep your eyes on the sky, at least when it comes to airline stocks. Some airline stocks are setting up nice here. We'll start things off here with Delta. This is ticker DAL. Delta has been drifting down to the 50-day moving average since the end of November here. End of November, airlines kind of topped out a little bit, and then it's just been a slow, gentle drift down to the 50-day. Now, we've had two chances here to break below some key moving averages here. We broke below close to the 50-day. They bought it back up, retested it, and they bought it back up again. And the last couple of days, if I bring in the volume here, you can see a decent pickup in volume here on Delta Airlines. So I like this really nice tight price action the last couple of days, and I'm going to set an alert on Delta just under 41 bucks. What I want to see from Delta is a move above 41 coming on volume. The next airline to take a look at is JetBlue. This is ticker JBLU. Same kind of setup. You can see, end of November, the airlines really started to stall out here a little bit, and the buyers kind of dried up. Drifted back to that key moving average, the 50-day moving average, tested it, it passed, tested it again, broke down, but it passed that test again as buyers stepped in to bring it back up above support. Same kind of setup. Nice tight price action the last couple of days. I want to see a move above 1509 here on JetBlue. You can see how that level was resistance. Couldn't make it, and we're just under there now. So I want to see a move above 1509 coming on higher than average volume. And finally, here's United Airlines. End of November, drift down to the 50-day. Nice tight price action the last couple of days. And I want to see a move above that high, maybe just around 44.80. Now, the thing that kind of really attracts me to these stocks is the fact that they kind of look like some of the automakers. Like if you look at General Motors, for example. I'll delete some of the lines here. General Motors topped out near the end of November. Drifted down to the 50-day. Tested it, and boom, took off to the upside. Ford, same thing, end of November. Drifting down. So that's the kind of setup that I want to see play out here on some of the airlines. So keep an eye on Delta, JetBlue, United, and some of the others. Build your watch list, set some alerts, and we'll see how these play out. I hope that video was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.